How to fix Android device restarts itself or shuts down randomly. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimo from App Guide, and in today's guide video I will show you the way on how you can fix if your Android phone restarts automatically and shuts down whenever it wants to randomly as well. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first things first, the first issue over here is that let's say that your phone suddenly shuts down itself and restarts itself randomly. Then in that case, what you could do is most of the time it could be the issue with the buttons, or if not the buttons, then it could be the issue with the phone case that you're actually using. So if you have a phone case on which the volume buttons does not sync well, it could automatically press this power button, and then as a result your phone is going to automatically reboot itself. So first of all, simply check whether it is not the issue with your buttons. Once you verify it is not the hardware issue, there could be some of the fixes within the software settings that you can actually use to do it. So the very first thing we will do is it could be a software bug. So in order to fix that software bug, we will simply check whether we have some kind of updates available for our Android. So if I go ahead and then select settings, and I will go ahead and select the option which says software update, all you have to do is tap on software update. As soon as you tap on software update, you can see it says version is up to date. Now you could go ahead and basically see some of the features, and if you have an update available, go ahead and simply tap on the update button in order to update your Android phone to the latest version. So once you've updated, and it would most likely fix the issue. If it still doesn't fix, then what I would recommend doing is you have to flash a stock ROM, which is a stock Android device. Also check if any of the third-party apps are causing such problems. For example, you can look through your application settings and find the apps that you've recently downloaded, any type of harmful apps and so on. When they have control over your device, they could typically do anything, so make sure that isn't the case, and just make sure that they are not actually the root cause of this problem. Lastly, if none of these solutions are working for you, then what I would recommend you do is simply take it to a nearby repair shop and let them check it for you what their actual issue is. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.